number 9. Here we're being asked about M. robustus and the octopus garden. So we just highlight that. We're going to read from the left and focus on M. robustus and the octopus garden. So in 2018, scientists discovered an immense aggregation of M. robustus along a hydrothermal vent 3,200 meters beneath the ocean surface. Water temperatures at this site, named the octopus garden, climb as high as 11 degrees Celsius, much warmer than the ambient 1.6 degrees Celsius typical at this depth. Based on observations made over 3 years, scientists concluded that temperatures at the site likely confer reproductive benefits and that the site is used exclusively for reproduction. So that seems to be important. And we know there are no juveniles present in this octopus garden. So we're going to just focus on that information. Choice A, M. robustus leave the octopus garden upon reaching an intermediary stage of development. Well, yeah, that's why there's no juveniles. So that seems good. The M. robustus population remains stable despite variations in water temperature. We don't know that it remains stable over time. So goodbye to B. And really, I mean, it's what is it stable? I'm not quite sure. I mean, actually, it seems climbs as high. I need some additional information. Then choice C, M. robustus nests contain on average fewer but larger eggs. What? The size of the eggs? We didn't talk about the size of the eggs, so we highlight that. We eliminate C. And we don't know that it's literally an ideal feeding ground. So goodbye to choice D, and we would have to select A before